Oh shit, there's a storm coming. Sounds like a hairball tsunami actually. So let's get our fucking kicks down on Route 666. Well, maybe not. Okay, look, Diamond Dave is looking sharp. He's a sharp dressed man. He's a gentleman of leisure. And everybody gets laid, even on Sunday at the Grindhouse party. None for Mike, Sammy, or Wolfgang. 420, let's go.